How to fix camera not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. Now scroll down and here you can see the option storage. Now click on it and then here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.